Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to brand video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix roblox disconnected field to connect the games. Add is connection step fields error code 279. So how can fix this issue? Simply back home screen close page. So make sure that you have tap on settings, check the Wi-Fi networks, click on forget networks Wi-Fi, and again join Wi-Fi network and back. Scroll down, tap on journal, tap on date and time, toggle turn on, back, and tap on background app refresh and make sure that background app turn off. Back home screen, open settings, scroll down, tap on journal, click on iPhone storage and check his Roblox games finds. Tap here, click on offload app, tap on offload apps Roblox games on iPhone. Back home screen, tap on Roblox games, tap on remove and delete app from iPhone's home screen. Again open app stores and installs again Roblox games on iPhone, and back home screen and tap on settings and tap on journal, scroll down, tap on reset, transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset locations and privacy into iPhone and reset it. Back home screen, again open Roblox games and try to log in. So if you have any problem, tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.